Hello and welcome to myminimaths.co.uk video tutorials. And today we're going to be rounding in real life situations. So first of all, on to question 1. A concert hall has 15 rows of 23 seats. If 215 tickets have been sold for a performance, how many full rows still remain empty? Now there are many ways of calculating this, but the way I'd look at it is if I have 10 rows and I know there are 23 seats in each of those rows, I know that can hold 230 people. Now we've only sold 215 tickets, so maybe if we take one of these rows away, which would leave us with 207 seats taken, we know that 9 rows has enough space for 207 people. Therefore, if we've sold 215 tickets, we're going to need the extra row to accommodate the extra 8 people. So therefore, 15 take away the 10 used rows will give us 5 spare rows altogether. And next we're on to question 2. An Olympic cyclist is training at the local track. The distance around the track is 400 metres. How many full laps will the cyclist have to complete to ride a total of 5 kilometres? Again, there's many options for us on how we want to actually calculate this, but the first thing I would do is I'd take the 5 kilometres, and I know there is 1,000 metres per kilometre, so that's 5,000 metres for the 5 kilometres. And now I'm going to build up those laps to see how many I need to cycle in order to complete those 5,000 metres, or a minimum of 5,000 metres. So I know after 10 laps, that's going to be 4,000 metres. Okay, if I add another lap, it's now going to be 4,400 metres. An extra lap gives 4,800 metres, so we still haven't quite made that 5,000 metre target. So I'm going to have to cycle that extra lap to make 13 laps in total to take us over that magic threshold of 5,000 metres. So the total number of laps is 13. It's very important to remember that the question is asking us for the number of full laps. So it's not 12.5 laps, because we need the full laps, so we need to make sure we round up to include the whole lap, which is the reason why it's the 13 laps. Thank you very much for listening today, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Take care.